Alrighty, just doing a simple tip video, how to check your water level. Now, a lot of people, common question that I see posted is, I wish they made clear reservoirs so you could see the water level. There's an easier way to check the water level without looking down the top there and trying to see it and trying a torch this direction. You don't really see what you can on mine, but other reservoirs isn't that clear that you can see that where the water level is. And for this clip, I did a water change only recently, so I thought I'd leave it low on purpose so I could make this video for you. Simply just put a torch on the side. Only the area where it's water will light up, or where it's no water will light up. And I'll do it over here so you can see where the water level is. Or if I get to the back, I might show you a bit better. And so that's the top of the water. You can go below the water and get that. That's below the water, so that's the water lighting up, and that's the area that's got no water. So you can see how the difference there is, and that's the easiest way to tell what your water level is without trying to look down the top and just trying to guess. So I'll just fill that up to the proper mark so you can see the level change, and that's pretty much it. Okay, so now the water level's correct. And you go there. So that's where it's obviously no water. Lights right up to the very top. And that's where the water is. And that's right on where the full mark is. So, easy way to do it. Easier, it's obviously more clear at night, but still works in the daytime. Yeah, so just a simple little tip for those who find it hard to check a reservoir and ask that same question, like I wish the reservoir was clear so you could see it. That's a simple way to do it. Okay, like always, thanks for watching.